All right, today we're going to show you how to do triplet backsticking. All right, so you should already know how to play triplets. Triplet, 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 triplet. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna replace all of those accents with a back stick. So instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, now we're gonna put a back stick. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again. Again. Let's just do that right hand. Triplet, 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 triplet. All that right hand is doing is this. Triplet, 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 triplet. Let's do that left hand. On that upbeat. Triplet, 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 triplet. Triplet, 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 triplet. If I put both of them together. All right, see there? Now when you get to playing it fast, it gets to a point where you can't come all the way over. You kind of got to go from the side a little bit. All right. All right. You don't have time to turn all the way over. Here we go. If you get a little advanced, you can start doing tap drags. Don't do the tap drags if you can't do the regular triplets though. All right, there we go, triplet backsticking.